guys, what's up? I'm back with another tutorial. In this video I'm just configuring the WooCommerce plugin step by step. WooCommerce is of course a very powerful platform which is open source, and it is widely used for creating online stores, e-commerce websites and stuff. So I have already created my store. Let me go to backend. This is my store and I have created this with Flatsum theme, WooCommerce plugin and Ali Dropship plugin. Alright, so let's go to backend. In order to install the plugin, just the WooCommerce plugin, just go to plugin and add new. Search for the WooCommerce. It will be there, WooCommerce. This is the plugin I have already installed. You can see over 5 million active installations. Alright, so let's go to WooCommerce. When you install the plugin, it will be here on the left side. Click on that. The necessary things to set up your store. The first option is home, WooCommerce home. I have already configured, I have already set it up, these things, but for the first time when you go to WooCommerce, there will be a button and just you click configure the configuration wizard, and step by step you just configure. These are all the steps. So however, let's go once again and let's review what we have done. The first part is store details. You need to fill that. This is my store details, and click continue. Yes. Which industry your store is. Mine is electronics and computers. The product type you're selling. Mine is physical product. Of course I have some downloadable products which I put it there. Subscription, membership and broking, any kind of products that you're selling. For now I'm just selling physical products and some virtual products. Click continue. This is the business details. How many products are you planning to display? Currently selling elsewhere? No, it's the only platform that I'm selling. Other related plugins and features that you can turn on. When you just click on this, you need to install that plugin. Continue. And this is the theme you are using. There are many themes. The one which I'm using is this Flatsum. Flatsum is also a very powerful theme for the WooCommerce and online stores. I just click continue with my active theme. Jetpack is another plugin for the shipping and tax automation. It's very good. Just I click yes please. Alright, it was about the store details. The second option is add paid extension to your store. It's something like adding the membership and booking, or maybe subscription for your website, so your clients, your visitors, your customers can subscribe and pay on monthly basis, or they can become a member of your business, your website, and they can pay a membership. The second option, the third option actually, is to add products. Later we will explain that how to add products, different kinds of products, how to import product, how to add products, variable products, single products. So we're going to explain them all in details. Just make sure to stick to the tutorial until the end and choose the payment method. This one also will explain in the settings section. You are adding different kinds of payment methods. Add tax rates. This is why we installed the Jetpack plugin. It will automate the tax and the shipping details. Later we may explain that. Set up shipping costs. So in here you just set up the shipping cost for different regions and different areas. For me, we are providing free shipping worldwide. So in here, for example, in Sri Lanka, this is free shipping, and rest of the world free shipping. And personalize your store. Of course, you need to create a homepage, a custom homepage. You have already have that homepage, so I just click skip. Add the logo, I did that one already, and the store notice. You can add a store notice here. For example, if your store is not ready yet, for example, we can't fulfill orders until a specific date. For us, it's all okay, and I click complete task. Alright, so let's go to settings. WooCommerce settings. Under the general tab, you can see the store details. We just filled that, the store details, the address, and everything. Enable tax rate calculation, enable the coupon. Later we'll create coupons. And the currency option is US dollar and how it should appear. Mostly the WooCommerce settings, the default settings are okay, so we don't need to bring a lot of changes. The WooCommerce by default set it up, all the settings, all the variables in the best way. We just need to customize some of them based on our needs, based on our store type, and we don't need to change everything. Here is the products. Under the product tab, you just need to set up something related to the product. For example, shop page, if you are creating a specific page for the product. Here WooCommerce by default created a page is called shop, and I have customized that page the way I want it to look. And these are some other details. Enable reviews, so the customer can review. If you uncheck this one, then the customer will not be able to review. And product related things, of course, it should be enabled. And save changes. Go to inventory. In the inventory, you need to configure things about, for example, manage stock. If you check this one, then you will have all these details. Hold the stock 60 minutes. Hold stock for unpaid orders for 60 minutes, and when this limit reached, the pending order will be cancelled. And the notifications, enable low stock notifications and enable the out of stock notifications. The email address, to which email address this notification should be sent. Low stock threshold 2, and out of stocks, of course, 0. And under tax, and here we configure the related details about the tax. Here, for example, you prices entered with tax. No, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. Just follow. They're pretty much self-explanatory, but anyway, I make a video about Jetpack. That's the plugin which automates the tax and shipping details. Let's go to shipping tab. In here, you just specify the shipping cost for different regions. For example, for Sri Lanka, it is free shipping, and everywhere in the world, it is free shipping. But if you want, for example, for a specific country, you specify the shipping cost. For example, United Kingdom. Here you select United Kingdom. And add the shipping method, the flat rate, free shipping. Okay, the flat rate, add shipping method, and a date. The shipping cost can be what? Can be, for example, $10 US dollar for any product you are shipping to a specific area, which is UK. You can read and you can make it more dynamic. For example, $10 US per product quantity. Okay, so now for each product that someone from UK is buying, then it $10 he or she needs to pay for the shipping. So for us, we just provide free shipping, and I just delete this one. I go back to shipping zone. United Kingdom, I delete this one. For the payment methods, You can set up different kinds of payment methods. Here I have configured the PayPal checkout. Check the video, the tutorial on the here, right top right side. Same case, I have configured the Payoneer payment gateway. Again, you can watch the video. I've configured the Coinbase for receiving the payment through cryptocurrencies. Again, the video is right here. I will link the videos in the description as well. And also another payment method to check out payment gateway. I will link here. That's also a very powerful one. You can watch them for setting up the payments. Account and privacy. This is how you manage the accounts of your customers. Just read it. It's very clear. For example, the guest account allow customers to place order without account. Allow customers to log into an existing account during checkout. And these are all the details. Just read them. As I said, many of the default settings we do need to change. Just you can read them and see if you need to change, then change and bring changes you want. If not, the default settings are completely okay. And this is the privacy policy. You can create your privacy policy page and you can link it here. I have already created. And here it is, the personal data retention. Retain inactive account. After 6 months, the inactive account will be deleted. The retain the pending orders. Pending orders for a specific time. Failed orders for 6 months. Retain completed orders for 12 months. Email. You can set up here. These are the emails that you receive or your clients will receive. For the new order, you will receive an email. For the cancelled order, for the failed order, and the order on hold, the order processing, the customers will receive the email. You can, of course, you can bring changes you want. Just click on the manage. This is the email sender option. When a customer receive email, so I have configured, this is the name of my store, and then from this email, support@socials.net, the email will be sent to my customer. And this is the header image. I put this one, my logo. The footer text, this is just the site title and some message, and then these are the base color and the color settings for the email. You can customize WooCommerce email designer. You can customize different types of email which is being sent to your clients. You can design the layout, you can design the structure. So this is a whole another tutorial I will be making soon. Make sure you subscribe. Every now and then I'm uploading some tech related videos related to WooCommerce, related to online store, web development, IT and cloud services. So I would be happy to have you here. And if you like this video so far, just click the like button. It will be really good. Alright, after bringing the changes, just save changes. I didn't bring any change. Okay, so the next option is integration. In here, just this is a tool, maximize geolocation. It can help for the shipping and location analysis. I didn't really use this one, so just leave it the way it is. And let's go to advanced. In advanced, you can set up the specific pages. For example, for the cart page, for the checkout page. I have those pages. Those pages were created by WooCommerce, so I just brought some changes. My account page, term and condition page, and these are the other details, the checkout endpoints and account endpoints. Just leave them the way it is and no need to bring changes. Alright, so this is what we explained about settings. Now let's go and add some products. Click on the product. You can see I have a lot of products here. They are imported from AliExpress. On the right side, you can see the tutorial how to properly import products from AliExpress using Ali Dropship. That's a complete tutorial. But in here, we are adding, we are not importing product, we are adding product. So let's create add new product. Alright, here it is the product name. You can type, for example, GBL headphone. And here it is the long description. You can add the what GBL headphone is has very good quality, blah 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 blah. So just write something, let me copy and paste those details to make it yeah, you can add some related media and then the explanation, description about that. Here it is the Yoast SEO. You need to optimize that one for the SEO, so it will be more readable and high ranking in search engines. There is another video, just click on that, you can watch that one about how to fully optimize your website with Yoast SEO. You just leave that one, you can watch the video. Scroll down and here it is the product tags. You can specify tag, it can help you in search engine and to categorize the products. Yeah, you can add the tags. And scroll down, this is very important. We have different kinds of product data. One is sample product, which is one product and no variation. We have variable products and we have external, affiliate and group product. Okay, now we are just creating a sample product. And when you create a sample product, okay, is it a virtual? No, it is not. It's a real product, the GBL headphone. Is it downloadable? No, it's a physical product. It will be shipped. And here you're writing some short description. Just write something, GBL, short GBL headphone short description. Okay. And what else we need to do? Okay, we need to add this one to a specific category. I want to add this one to tick gadgets and categories, or if you don't have that category, you can add it here, add a new category. Product image, GBL headphones, copy and paste it also here. It's good for search engine. And let's set product image. There it is. And product gallery, let's add some other images for the gallery. For example, this one and this one. Great. Alright, we just added the images. Let's go to this part. Let's see. Okay, so under the general tab, you need to specify the price. This price can be, for example, $9.99 US. The sales price you can schedule, and is it the taxable and the tax class standard. So under inventory you can manage the stock related stuff. You can add the SKU, stock keeping unit, that's just a number, a unique number. Manage stock, you can enable this one and how many you have in stock. For example, from this headphone you have 100. Allow back orders, low stock threshold, and just configure. The next one is shipping. In the shipping, so if you're charging for the shipping, here you need to specify the weight, the dimension, and the linked products. So here upsells and cross sells. So when the customer goes to that specific page, they will see these other products also there. Maybe they like this. I'm just giving an example, no matter what product is it. Go to attributes. In attribute, we don't need to explain anything here. We will explain when we create the variable products. So now we have one product and with one specific attribute, no need to add anything. In advance, you can set up the enable review, some purchase note and menu order. On the right side, this question mark, you just if something is confusing, just see, and there is an explanation about that. Get more options. There are some add-ons you can add to your WooCommerce plugin. Maximum and minimum quantities, one page checkout, and you can add those details. And the supplier, if you yourself, you are the supplier, so that's all. If you're drop shipping, here you're filling the supplier details. And the reviews, here So since I have the Ali dropship plugin, these buttons are here since I'm importing products from Ali dropship. That is why I have these options here. So I can import the reviews also from Ali dropship customers to my website. There is a video about how to properly import products from AliExpress. You can watch that. This is the product layout. You can create a layout, a specific layout, and you can select that one from here. In order to create a layout, you can go to UX blocks and create a block for the products. You can come and select here. For me, the default one is okay. And extra, you can add a custom bubble on the product. For example, new, I can type new product, for example, and the custom type and the custom tab title and other related details. You can add a video here, and how to open the video. It should be a lightbox, and when you open the lightbox is okay. And it is all. So let's go. And it's all. Let's go and publish. I just published. I click update. Alright, so let's view the product, how it looks on our store. Yeah, this is the product, the image, the short description, the price. If we scroll down, you can see the explanations, the description here, and the reviews. Still it doesn't have. These are the cross-sell and upsell products that we added, this one and the other related products. The customer just can add to the cart and check out. Alright, this was the simple product. We don't have any, except selecting the quantity, we cannot select any variation. Now let's go and add some variation to this specific product. Okay, let's go. Let's scroll down to that specific product. In here, this time we are just selecting not simple product, let's make it a variable product. It means we should have different kinds of options. We go to attributes. In attributes, we are adding some specific attribute for that specific product. The name of this attribute, you can say model. This is a separator. We need to separate model. For example, what? GBL10, GBL11. These are two models that we are adding and use for variation. Alright, and save attributes. We added attribute. Now let's go to variation. For a specific attribute, we are adding the variation. Okay, add variation. And we have the model. In any model, if we click here to expand, prices, let us change USD. Just save changes. Great. So now let's go and update the product. Okay, now let's see the product and how does it look. Yeah, now the customer needs to select the model. You can just bring any changes you want. You can add as many variations, as many attributes you want. Just you can go to attribute. For example, you can add another attribute for the color, and you can go to variation and add a specific price, specific details about that specific attribute. Another one is the grouped product. Grouped product is just you just go to linked product, and here you link 2 or 3 products and you just link them and you sell them all together. And another product is the external or affiliate product. For example, if you are an affiliate marketer, you are selling the product from, for example, Amazon associate the products from any affiliate program. You just list here, you fill the product details. The product, just like this product, will be appearing on your website, on your store. But when a customer click on that, on the button to add to cart or any button that is, then it will be redirected to that to the original seller if that is the Amazon or if that is any affiliate program that you are in, it will be redirected there. So whenever customers are buying that specific product using your affiliate link, your referral link, you will get credit cashback from that. Yeah, so now let's create a new product. This time let's create a virtual product, a downloadable product. I don't want to save this one. I just want to go back and add a new product. Alright, this is the project I just did, a simulation of a smart home in Package Tracer. I just want to add that the Package Tracer file here for sale. So if anybody want to buy that template which I have simulated, they need to pay. For example, I just type smart home simulation Package Tracer file. Alright, so here an explanation. Here I have simulated the smart home using Package Tracer. Okay, so just write something, scroll down, and in here you can add that one to a specific category. I'm adding a new category for this one. For example, virtual products, and any parents category, no, just let's add the category. This is the category. You can add the categories here, and you can edit each category from here. Let's scroll down. In here you can add, let's add a product image. This will be the product image. Alright, and you can optimize for SEO. Okay, so this is a simple product or a variable. So this is a simple product, just one file. This is a virtual product, and let's check this one. This is a downloadable product. The price is for example $4.99. Here you add the file, the specific file you want to sell. The file name is smart home ppt file. You can paste the URL or just you can choose the file, go to upload and upload that file. This is the file. Open. Okay, download limit, download expiry, and other related details. You can write a short description here. Let's say smart home simulation IoT project. Okay, I guess we're all good. And yes, let's publish. Great, so let's see the product. Yeah, this is the product. The customer can just add to cart and pay for the file, and then he or she can download it. I think we have almost covered everything: the categories, the tags, the attributes. For example, if you are importing a lot of products, adding attributes for each product separately, it will be time consuming. And you can add the product attributes, for example some general attributes like color, like size. For example, if you are a clothing fashion store, then for each product that you import, you need to add the attributes. You just need to select that specific attribute which is added. And same case with the tag, with the categories, you can add specific categories edit from here. And from WooCommerce, so in here you can manage your orders, how many orders you have, they're completed, they're processing, they're on hold. You can manage your orders from here. The email customers are the customers you have, and the coupon. From here you can create the coupon. For example, this coupon that I have already created, and this one is, and yeah, it's all. And make sure you like the video, subscribe for more, and comment below if there is any issue, if there is any problem. and have a good time. See you in the next tutorial.